Okay, and here's a little closer view of it. This one goes to the vacuum and vents, and this one goes to the transmission. This one goes to the transmission. This one plugs into the bottom of the carburetor here for the manifold vacuum. Okay. Okay, well, we haven't got our interior all put back together yet, of course, but it's getting there. In the meantime, we had to do a little engineering on some of the electrical, since I think the starter was hooked up to the computer or data link or whatever. So anyway, I put one of our Sprecher and Shoe start push buttons here that goes to the wiring on the starter, and this switch goes to the electric fan, and this one's for the fuel pump. So after one last fuel leak check, turn on your pump and check for leaks. Then we're going to give this thing light the fuse up here and see if it starts up okay. Okay, here goes. Keep our fingers crossed. Fuel pump on. Couple pumps. Turn the ignition on. Little carburetor fire, never hurt anybody, just needs a little more timing in it. Let's give her another try. A little more timing in it.